Oh, wow. Really juicy, crispy on the outside. Amazing. Wow, that's really good. How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are going to be making Tokwat Baboy, which is a Filipino recipe for fried crispy tofu with pork. It's really delicious. This is a very popular Filipino street food for breakfast, and it's very easy to make. All you need is pork, tofu, chili pepper, onion, brown sugar, soy sauce, and white vinegar. Let's get started. First step is we're gonna take our pork. You can use any pork that you want, but in the Philippines, they use pork head or even pork belly. Take salt, mix, and let marinate for just 10 minutes. This will draw out the water from the pork, but also make it crispier and taste better. And now we're gonna take that pork and add it to boiling water. It's been about 5 minutes. You can boil as much as you want, but now we're gonna take out our pork and let this dry. So why did I put it in a paper towel? The reason is we gotta let this dry. That way when we fry it, it's gonna be extra crispy. Let's put this in the ref while we make our other ingredients. Now we're gonna work with our tofu. First we will drain and put it on some paper towels. Once again, this is to remove all of the water. So this is gonna be a special tofu. So we're gonna make a design. That way it looks a lot better because we eat with our eyes, right? We are gonna cut at a diagonal. Just a little bit, boom. That. I'm gonna do it again this way. And then we flip. We're also gonna cut it in half, that way it's easier to fry. Once again, we're gonna do the design. We're just gonna cut it one more time, right in the middle. And that way when we're frying, it's a lot easier to flip. Now you can't really see the design, but once you fry it, not only will it look really pretty, it's gonna add extra surface area. That way our tofu is gonna be even more crispy. It's gonna be so good. Chop a quarter of an onion. We're gonna take some chili pepper. You can add as much or as little as you want. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, vinegar, soy sauce. Now we mix. It smells good. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside and leave to marinate so that we can fry our tofu and our pork. Let's add a bunch of oil to our pan. Let's check the oil with a chopstick. Okay, it's ready. Time to add our tofu. Make sure that your tofu is dry. We're gonna let that fry until it's golden brown. You see how it's starting to get really crispy on the edges? And you can see it on the top? That's when you know it's ready to flip. Look at that design. Pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, I think it's ready. Oh, look at that crisscross. Wow, look at that. You hear that? Nice and crunchy. Now it's finally time to cook our pork. We want these nice and golden brown. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Woo! Perfect color. Wow. Time to take out our pork. Okay, we got our tokwat, our crispy tofu, and our baboy, our crispy pork. Time to cut. We're gonna cut it into cubes. Ooh, wow. Look at that nice crust. Looks pretty cool with the design, right? That smell of the pork fat, really good. And look at that color. Nice and golden. We got our tofu, we got our meat, and we got our sauce all ready. Now, time to assemble. Nice design. Oh, wow. Let's add some pork. now our special sauce. Yeah. Oh, wow. And there you have it. Tokwat Baboy. Crispy pork and crispy tofu. It looks so good. Colorful. You got the red from the onion, the green from the chili pepper, and especially the golden brown from the tofu and the pork. Now, it doesn't really matter how's the look. What matters is how's the taste. Alright, let's try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, crunchy. Wow. Look at that design. Looks so nice. Let's see. So crunchy. That tofu is like a sponge. It absorbed that sauce. So nice, sweet. Try the pork. Wow. The perfect combination for that sauce is that wonderful, wonderful pork flavor. Really juicy, crispy on the outside. Amazing. Let's try it together. Oh wow. Wow, that's really good. One of the best bites you will ever have. Has so much flavors going on. You got the pork flavor, the tofu, the textures, the onions, the chili. Oh, it is really, really, really good. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really enjoyed this recipe because I really miss the breakfast in the Philippines. I hope you check out the recipe and try it for yourself. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I really enjoy cooking for you. Comment down below for whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!